Welcome to our video on getting into project management. Today, we'll explore the essential steps to start your journey in this dynamic field. To be a successful project manager, you'll need strong skills in communication, leadership, and organization. Educational pathways are crucial. Consider pursuing degrees or certifications tailored to project management. Gaining experience through internships, volunteer opportunities, and entry-level positions is vital to build your resume. Networking is key in project management. Join communities and attend events to connect with industry professionals. Understanding methodologies like Agile, Scrum, and Waterfall can guide your project management approach effectively. Familiarize yourself with project management tools and software, as they are essential for modern project management. Preparing for certifications like PMP and CAPM will enhance your qualifications and marketability. Craft a tailored project management resume and practice interview techniques to stand out in the job market. Finally, continuous learning is key. Keep up with industry trends and expand your skill set to stay competitive.